Guys, welcome to Shoes, Boots, and More. I'm Damian Green. Today we have a special video for you today, how to dress in a snowstorm. You see we here in Boston have a lot of snowstorms every year. We've had three already, and we're due for another one next week, as a matter of fact. So what better place than for me to demonstrate, right? Because it's crazy out this way. Let me just get right at it. Well, you need a good sweater, of course. A wool sweater, 100% wool sweater is ideal. It's good to layer up. Good warm coat, of course. Sheepskin coats and shearling coats are the best. I can't say more than that because they are so warm. Here's a full-length one. See here? Completely lined with sheepskin. Beautiful. Certainly to keep you warm. You never see a lamb up there in the wilderness cold at all. They just walk around. It's just natural. You need a good face mask. Okay. You need a good hat. It's also a sheepskin. Let me tell you, you're gonna be warm. One other thing that you're gonna need is some goggles. Ski goggles are the best because if the wind picks up, if you're walking on the street, if you're going someplace, you know, no better thing to keep the wind out of your eyes. And you'll be able to see. And of course, you need one other thing. Some good old sheepskin gloves. You are warm with this outfit on. Let me tell you something, okay? You can walk down the street or be on your merry way or whatever it is that you may have to do outside. You are good to go with this outfit here, you know? So listen, stay tuned for the next video clip. You're going to see live footage of me out there in the snowstorm, you know, doing the trekking along on a cold, blistery day. Okay? So stay tuned. And if you like this video, please subscribe or like. Thank you. Gotta be out in a snowstorm right now. Welcome to another edition of Shoes, Boots, and More. We have an exciting video for you today. We're in the snowstorm. Boston snowstorm. It's the third this year. You know, there goes a truck there coming out. He's doing his job. We got a guy up there. He's shoveling around his property. Good luck with him. We have many vehicles coming out. They're coming all around. Very few cars on the street, as you can see. Of course, it's a snowstorm. Got this guy here shoveling. He looks like he's trying to get out of his vehicle. Trying to get his vehicle out of the driveway. So a few vehicles that are driving. Go right ahead, sir. All right, take care now. And Godspeed with you. Take care with that snowstorm. Okay? There's another person here. Okay, guy, you all right? Everything's okay? Okay. We got a guy. How's it going, sir? Getting a good snowstorm out there? Yeah. I'm going to go up there and do a couple shots in the snow, you know? Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I got to carry on to my snow adventure. Oh, yeah, I don't need to do that. Thank you. I'd have been, oh my God, where's my gloves? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Saved my life. Yeah, these guys, they were so nice. They grabbed me and they helped me save my glove. You know, one glove away, and then there you go. You know, you're frozen to death, so find you on the side of the road. And, you know, it was, oh my God, who's this guy here? You know, lucky I have identification on me, because you never know, you know, as these things happen on the same solo stranded street. And there you go. You're one down, you're out. Just that simple. See, you gotta be careful in a snowstorm. Gotta have all your faculties in place. Okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna be moving on to the next position. See you soon. It's a snowstorm. You're in Boston. Welcome to Never Business Shoes, Boots, and More. Hey, listen, I'm Damien Green out here in the snowstorm. You can see I'm out here. It's blizzard weather here in Boston. This is the third snowstorm we had this year. As you can see, my boots and everything are just completely covered. I'm just, you know, almost over ankle in snow. Snow is just completely enveloped the entire area. I'm fully protected, as you can see. Got the earmuffs here. I got the goggles, completely shielding top. I'm completely covered. These shielding gloves, let me tell you something, they work wonders. If you can wear some of these gloves here, you'll be in good shape. This coat here, completely shielding this coat. You're going to be protected with this coat here. Let me tell you something. North Face ain't got nothing on shielding coats. Let me tell you something, okay? You're good. You're good to go. I'm completely warm. I mean, you ever see a sheepskin? You ever see a sheep that was cold up in the mountains? This doesn't happen, okay? Or a lamb for that matter. So what I'm saying to you is that when you're well protected, you're good to go. Sheepskin gloves, as you can see. Sheepskin hat, goggles, face mask. In fact, I can even pull this up here like that. And you know, I'm really good to go here, but you can't hear me. You know, you can't hear me. Can't hear me. Pull that down so. Hey, I'm Damien Green. I made it back in from the snowstorm here in Boston, 2018 blizzard. Well, I'm happy to make it back in. That weather out there was crazy, but I was well protected, you know, and that's all it requires. So listen, thanks for tuning in and watching another segment of Shoes, Boots, and More. There was the blizzard edition, and I'm happy to make it back. And I hope you tune in again, and please like and subscribe. Subscribe at the bottom, and we'll see you the next time for a new video. A new exciting video, something different. That's all for now. Take care.